Today I'm going to show you how to select blurred design element on Kraft paper in Adobe Photoshop. First let's reduce the scratch and brighten this image. So let's go to the filter. And open your Neural Filters panel. Now turn on the photo restoration at the very bottom. Then drag the scratch reduction slider all the way to 65 to reduce its scratch. And I'll increase the photo enhancement all the way to 80. Now from this drop-down menu, choose Smart Filter. Then press OK. Go to the window. And open your Channels panel. Select the green channel. And click and drag into the new channel icon to create a duplicate copy of this channel. Now press Ctrl-I to invert it. Go to Image. Adjustments. And open your Levels window. Drag this top left slider to the right, until this background turns black. And drag this right slider to the left, until the design element becomes white. Press OK once you're satisfied. Now open your brush tool from the toolbar, and with a hard round brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And you just paint with black, the white dots or the remaining white in the background. Now hold the Ctrl key, and click on the thumbnail of the green channel copy, to make a selection. Now select the RGB channel. With the selection active, click on the mask icon to remove the background. Let's zoom the image, and you can see here, that this design element has no background and the background removal is very clean. Next, let's create a background color to it, by going to the adjustment layer icon, and solid color. In this color picker, you can choose any color for background. So I'm gonna choose black. Drag the background color, and drop it below the subject or layer 0. Now you can also change the color of your design element, so let's first select layer 0 or this subject. Then go to Image. Adjustments. And Hue Saturation. Check the Colorize box. Then drag the saturation slider all the way to 80%. Now you can choose any color you want for your design, by dragging this hue slider. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.